Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the app's background drains, open Settings and go straight to Apps, select the target app. Once there, review permissions and revoke what the app doesn't need. This prevents constant sensor or GPS polling. Then find background activity or battery usage and set it to limit or off. This forces the app to sleep when not visible. Make sure to keep notifications you rely on, but disable push sync if you can, because constant syncing is often the biggest battery culprit. Next, control how often the app talks to the network. Open its account or sync settings and switch auto sync to manual or set longer sync intervals. This reduces wake-ups. Once done, restrict background data or choose Wi-Fi only, which cuts cellular radio activity that burns battery fast. Also enable Battery Saver or the platform's app optimization for that app. This throttles CPU and network use. These steps reduce both radio and processor wakes, two main reasons apps drain a battery quickly. Finally, eliminate software faults. Update the app and the OS because developers often fix battery leaks in patches. If the problem persists, clear the app cache, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall to reset corrupted states. Once done, monitor the device's battery report for that app over 24 hours to confirm improvement. If you still see excessive use, force stop the app and contact the developer. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode briefly to see if a third-party conflict is causing the drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.